I'm Vimla Vikram. I'm from New Delhi. I joined the basic class last year. So one of my friends introduced me to this course. So I found it very interesting. Like initially, when she told me that you can do the prediction by learning astrology in this ALP by within a month, I didn't believe it. Like I couldn't believe that. So then, after coming to the class, I could see how even the basic classes, after finishing the basic class itself, I felt that we can do some predictions. So once we joined this advanced class, there was a fine tuning and more things were given, more experiences were shared with us. So I think the whatever classes in the advanced class we were taught many other things. I think the forecast we could give more better prediction in the basic class, and the software was very good. Otherwise, we will have to calculate everything in normal Vedic astrology. That is a very big thing. Calculation part, I think everybody will be doing the whole day, even the whole week. I think we cannot get that. So all the things have been simplified with the software so easily, and with the advanced software, it's more wonderful. Things are just brought to you before your eyes. Everything is there. Whatever, which house says what, which planet says what. So that's a very good experience. And of course, Guruji, every class mostly he visited. He took interest, like individual interest with everyone. He doesn't have any partiality. I think he asks everyone, irrespective of whether he can predict or not. He'll ask the person. He'll point out during the class, what have you learned? So we are alert in the class also, and he has been very helpful. Uh, he has given us very nice tips, and of course the teachers. Obviously, ma'am, you are so patient enough to listen to all our problems. So I never seen you getting irritated with any of the students. You are so patient with everyone. You answer things, and of course, in the basic class we had an acquaintance, and in the senior class, advanced class, Santa Kumar sir and Guruji and Satya sir, everybody is so helpful in actually whatever we have learned. It is only rules, no, but correlating the whole thing. So you made us easier for us. It was a very wonderful experience. Maybe if I'll practice the thing, and if I have any problem, I think I'll join again probably. Great pranam to Guruji for developing this software, because it is such a wonderful thing. I show it to like anybody who is a layman, no, even he can understand what is what. Otherwise, even starting with the nakshatras and the planets, it will take the whole lifetime to learn things. So things have been simplified. It's a great experience coming to the CLP. Thank you. Thank you all, ma'am.